All right. All right. So welcome once again to our live trading session. So this is the trade we are currently in. I'm sure everyone is in this trade now. So this is the trade we are in. This is the trade on gold that we are in. And currently you can see the trade is running in about almost 1:1 hour. So that's what the trade is running now. So let me give you guys the breakdown of this trade, why I took this trade, and then we analyze other pairs and see what we have, because I've not even checked other pairs. I've just been focusing on gold lately. All right, so um, let's start from our daily time frame. What can we show on our daily time frame? We could see that okay, the market is obviously bullish. Gold has been buying for a very long time now. We've been buying, and then what happened? We kind of swept this high. We swept this high, but we're still bullish. So sweeping that high doesn't make us turn bearish unless we validate this low. But since we've been respecting lows, we are still bullish. All right. Then let's go to our 1 hourly time frame. So on our 1 hourly time frame, what can we see? It's not very obvious here. Let me go to 30-minute time. The trade idea I got it from 30-minute time frame. So on the 30-minute time frame, we could see that okay, there's a liquidity sweep right here. This is a liquidity sweep, signaling that okay, our range is starting from here. So seeing this liquidity sweep, our range start from here, this low to the next high. All right, so this low to the next high. This is our range, and then we want to buy around the discount zone, and still we need inducement. So seeing this, I know that okay, this zone now, these zones are my inducements. All right, so I know that these zones are my inducements. So that's why I took our trade from here, this QM zone. I took our trade from this QM zone, stop loss right below here, using this as my inducement. You can see the trade now. Look at it is in good profits. If you guys check your chart now or your profits, you see that okay, you are in good profit. All right, so this is it, and I'm just targeting this high. I don't want to target the next high. Normally, I could just like target this next high, but I will just target this one. And the reason why I'm just targeting this high is because even we just swept this we swept the buy side liquidity right here. So this buy side liquidity now might want to start making the market dance around. So I really don't want to stay long on the market. I just want to take my profit and leave. All right. So can you guys hear me well? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Can you guys hear me? You can hear me. Just unmute your mic and say you can hear me.
Yes,
Eh?
sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you. We can hear
All
you.
right. All right. All right. So this is the trade we had on good. Let's check other pairs and let's do top down analysis on them. All right. So USD JPY, what do we have? USD JPY have been buying massively. Let's start from our daily time frame. All right. So on our daily time frame, what can we see? We go see that okay, USD JPY has been bullish, nice and good. Although we tapped on this level here that is sending this market down, and then this level now, this level is the continuation of our downtrend. So if this market is going to sell, it is going to sell from this level that I tapped on. All right. So we tapped on this level, and don't forget that we are coming from a strong support level that pushed price up. All right, so let's focus on what we have currently. What we have currently, we have this break of structure right here. We have this break of structure, and then we have this support level that I tapped on, and you can see that immediately tap on this support level, the market has been going up. Let's go to our hourly time frame to see what we have. All right, so the market has been going up, so I guess we just be bullish, all right, because what the market did, this market swept liquidity. We had a break of structure. Market came down to tap on this other block, came down to tap on this other block, and now we are having another break of structure, signaling that okay, this buy move is going to continue. All right, so this is our recent structure. We have this recent break of structure right here. So seeing this, I know that okay, my range is from around this low to this high. So I will just patiently wait to see if the market is going to give me any entry model. All right. Um, okay. So I'm just going to be patient with this market. I'll just patiently wait to see what the market is going to do. Yeah, I'll just patiently wait to see what the market is going to do. Right now, I don't have any trade setup, but I just have direction in mind. All right.
I even opened and I saw
So let me
that
check.
even
Sorry, who
in
is this? Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute your
that
mic.
this
Oh.
thing added me now. So I saw a message that she said that if you know that
Who is
you
this
no
person?
longer
Oh,
find
you're on
yourself,
a call. Mute your mic.
you know that your subscription has been
Okay, Rika, what's your name?
yeah, she even added.
All right. So this is GBP JPY. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. So what we can see that GBP JPY has been obviously bullish. All right. So um we had this our so the market tapped on this O&C level. We tapped on this O&C level using this zone as inducement. Using this zone as an inducement, then we have a break of structure. I have a break of structure right here. Normally, this is where the break happened, but yeah, I like to do it here because this is the low. This is the high that caused this low. Then it got invalidated here. So I like to draw my break of structure from here. All right. So let's go to our 4-hourly time frame. On our 4-hourly time frame, the market tapped on let me see something. Let me see something. Okay. So we tapped on this support level right here. We tapped on this support level. And then you can see that this support level sent price flying. After tapping on this support level, been buying. All right. Okay, I'm seeing something. I'm coming. See something. He actually swept. Did he even sweep this high? Okay, he didn't really sweep it. So look at this now. We have this break of structure, and then this is my range. My range is from this low to this high. All right. So normally I want to buy from around discount zone, but another thing you know is that sometimes the market might not get to your discount zone, but it's the best place to buy is from your discount zone. You want to buy from your discount zone and sell from your premium zone. But sometimes the market might not get to your discount zone. But all right, so seeing this, after we broke the structure, this market gave us a sell structure. So if you see the sell structure, look at it. We had another break of structure right here. We had this break of structure. So this is a bearish structure. So we have this bearish structure. All right. And then if you are following the bearish structure, you see that okay, this zone swept liquidity. There is liquidity sweep right here. And then it has inducement. This is inducement. And then look at this resistance level. This week is a resistance level. So it tapped on it and it is currently selling. And then this is for the bearish structure. For my bullish structure, you know that in a trading, it's not about trading. You have to be open-minded. You can't just say, okay, your bias is buy and you just look only buy. You won't like look at every other thing the market is doing. You have to be open-minded, look at everything. All right. So for my bullish structure, we have a break of structure right here. We have a break of structure right here. All right. So let me go to the 1 hourly time something. All right. What can we see? 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 I'm seeing if this market is going to continue this buy, this is a good zone for it to buy from. So why am I choosing this zone? Because why? This zone has liquidity sweep, it has inducement. So and this is the last possible move. So if this market is going to buy, it's supposed to just buy from here. Let me go to the front to see something. All right. So So if the market is going to buy, it's going to buy from here, unless it just wants to continue this bearish move. Because after this break of structure, we had this change of character again. Because you can see that the market has been going up, like we've been respecting lows and breaking highs, and then we had this change of character right here, change structure, and you can see that since then we've been respecting highs and breaking lows. All right, so you could see that we've been respecting high. So it's possible that the market might just want to continue the bearish structure, or because here now you see that immediately we get to this zone, the market is finding it very, very difficult to invalidate this low, and then we invalidated the high that caused it. So I guess the market is buying from here. So if I'm going to take my buy, this is the best zone that I want to buy from. So around this zone is the best zone I want to buy from. All right, so that is for GBP JPY. We've analyzed them. USD JPY. USD JPY just buying. All right, good safe is giving this nice buys. Aha, nice. So I think around about now we should be hitting our TP2. Let me check my chart. So I think we should be hitting our TP2 around now. Look at this nice buy now. Hope everyone is making money. All right. So do you have any pair you want me to analyze? Because this is just the three pairs I trade: USD JPY, GBP JPY, and gold. That's the only pair I trade. If you want me to analyze any other pair for you, just send me a message. Like just put it on the chat box. Okay, Euro USD. All right, Euro USD. Someone said Euro USD. Let me analyze that. All right, so let's start from our daily time frame because I've not analyzed this pair for a very, very long time. But let's check. All right, so on the daily time frame, what can we see? What we can see is obvious. Euro USD has been bullish. All right, so this is our last structure from this break of structure right here. So this is our last structure, and then our range can start from this low, this last wind low, and then you see the market got to the discount zone. Which zone did it tap on? Let me check. So okay, okay, fine. It tapped on this zone here, this support level. And then this support level swept liquidity. If you see it well, you see that okay, there's a liquidity sweep right here. This is the liquidity sweep. And then it has inducement. So it is a good zone for the market to buy from. All right. So it tapped on it. And then what do we have after tapping on it? You can see the massive push to the upside. Immediately tapped on the support level. All right, then seeing that, let's draw our bearish structure also because this is our last bearish structure before that move. So let's still draw it out. All right, and then this zone has liquidity sweep. So this is a nice zone for the market to sell off if he wants to continue selling. But you know that we're bullish, so you should be expecting more buys. You understand? So this is a nice zone for the market to sell off if it's going to sell. And then following structure, Following structure, because this is our last swing structure, and this inducement, it tapped on this level right here, tapped on this support level. After tapping on this support level, we had like this zone as our change of character or break of structure, anyone you want to call it. Because you can call it a change of character because we are actually looking bearish. See, it tapped on this zone and then we invalidated this high. So this is more like a change of structure. So what I'm even seeing right now, I'm seeing this zone to be a good zone to buy Euro USD from. This is what I'm seeing. Let me go to my 1 hourly time frame. Right. So this is actually a good zone to buy Euro USD from. This zone. So if you ask me why do I want to buy Euro USD from here? I don't trade Euro USD normally, but like based on my analysis, this is a good zone to buy Euro USD. And the reason why I'll be buying it here, so we tapped on this because currently we are bullish, and then we tapped on this support level. After tapping on support level, you can see we have this break of structure, signaling that okay, this buy move is continuing. And then if you observe from the range now, our range is from this low to this high. So anything around here is inducement. We don't want to take any trade. We want to take our trade from the discount. And then when you get to discount, you can see that this zone has a nice liquidity sweep to it, and it has this inducement. So this is a very good zone. This is a very good zone for Euro USD to buy off from. All right, so this is a very good zone for Euro USD to buy off from. So the person that say I should analyze Euro USD, you could see this. So this is a nice trade setup on Euro USD. If you are trading it, you can place your trade. But me, I'm not trading it, so I will just stick with my gold. So which other what other pair do you want me to analyze? Let me check the chat box. Euro USD. Someone said EA. EA. That's Euro AUD. Let me check what the market has. All right, so from the daily time frame, what can we see? What can we see? We consider okay, this market has been bullish, right? We've been bullish, nice and good. And then this is our last structure. This is our last break of structure right here. And then you can see that the market tapped on this, you can call this a demand zone. So we're buying off this demand zone, and then we've been buying nice and fine. This is our recent structure on the daily time frame. We have this break of structure, nice. So let me go to the Friday time, see what we have. All right. So on our 4-day time frame, what can I see? I can see something here. Okay. It's not obvious. Let me go to let me go to time frame. All right. So this zone has liquidity sweep and inducement. So the market tapped on it, and then you can see that we've been buying nice after tapping on this zone. We've been buying nice and good. Let's go to our 1 hourly time frame. So on the 1 hourly time frame, what can we see? We could see this break of structure, like or is a change of character rather, because we've been bearish. Then until we get to that zone, after getting to the zone, you can see that we change structure to being bullish. All right. So seeing this, we know that okay, we are currently bullish and we want to look for buys. But now, where is the best zone to look for buys? Let me go to okay, what can I see? I can see something here. This zone has liquidity sweep and inducement. So the market tapped on it and then it gave us another break of structure. Let me go to the time frame to see. All right, so we had another change of structure right here. We had another change of structure right here. So I think I've seen my entry. This is a very good zone for the market to buy your phone. This is a good zone. So why am I taking my buy right here? I'm taking the buy because one, this zone has liquidity sweep and it has inducement. So and it is also in the discount zone. All right, because if I'm to use my Fibonacci now, from this low to this high, you can see that okay, this zone is in the discount zone. So it's a good zone to take my buy, or if I'm taking my trade, I might just want to like cover everything. The reason why I'm covering everything, I don't expect the market to get here, but I just like to cover them because some market might okay wants to use this one as engagement now just to do some kind of rubbish fake out, but I doubt. But it's just best you cover it. It's not like the stop loss is big. Stop loss just 11 pips, so you are still jiggy. Then you target this high. So this is my trade on Euro AUD. All right. So what other pair do you guys want me to check out? What is I'm going to drop the trade I'll drop the recording on my YouTube channel. So make sure if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping trade live course there. I'll be dropping a weekly outlook. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then this call now that we made, I'm going to drop it there. All right. So is there any other pair you guys want me to analyze? All right, so I don't want this to be long. Since there's no other pair, I'm going to be ending the live call right now. All right. Right. This recording. All right now, goodbye.